May I have your attention, please?
Hey everyone, this is CS Harshavardhan Gaikwad from Team HGPA. If you are one of those students who have been recently promoted to 11th standard or 12th standard, and if you are wondering on what to select as the career option, well, Team HGPA is coming out with an online live webinar of 1 hour on 29th of May, that is this coming Saturday at 11 AM. This online live webinar will be conducted by professionals. So, all your doubts, all your queries regarding career options will be resolved in this online live webinar. If you want to participate and if you want to enroll for this webinar, you need to WhatsApp your name on 99215 11185. Please do spread this video in all your 11th and 12th standard friends. Thank you.